good stuff.
Are you taking it?
Yeah.
Hey, RJ.
What?
Look up here. What is that?
What?
Is it doggy?
Doggy.
Doggy. Ride him. Buck up and down. That's it. Get up and down.
Sure, a lot of onions in here, Dad.
I didn't put it into it. I just stayed it off.
Don't usually put that onion in.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
What are you doing? Look at
Oh,
this.
it is, son. It's getting down here. Come on, let's go over here.
RJ, no more candy.
Let's go in here and get cleaned up. Okay, now. Jay, don't if you don't fall.
My big rock.
Here, don't
Here,
fall.
just
My big rock.
I'm afraid it's gonna fall.
Mom.
Don't.
My big rock, Mama.
Don't
Is
fall.
that your big track?
Don't fall now.
It's big. Big.
Is that the dump truck?
Little.
Is that no? That's yours. From Grandma.
Mama, hey, it's this.
Well, this is going to get awful hot. Have him come in.
All right, come on, you guys. Tammy. Oh, good heavens, you got that bag right in front of her. Hey, you guys, come on.
Have him come in that way too, dog.
Hey, come on.
So
I'll
we
get
get
Are
it.
you
picked
filming?
up. Yes.
No. Wait. Come on, RJ. Come on, RJ.
Where's the presents?
There's your present. Now, the dog is RJ's, and find your, find
Oh,
out.
look at him. Look at him. Look at him go. Look at him go.
That's so cute.
Get Nathan.
Nathan,
Size.
Bubba Lou.
See,
Now you're
that
gonna
wasn't
have
as
to put
fun as
something on one of them to find out which is which.
Turn him around to
Because
the
they're just
camera and show it to
Look
him.
at those honking legs.
Sherry.
Bubba
But
Lou.
look,
What?
look.
Oh.
What's her name? What's her Take name? it.
You like that
Ray,
too?
take it.
I don't know her name.
Move, Cher.
Look this way. RJ?
Her name is
Stephanie. Is that what you're gonna name her?
Stephanie.
Stephanie Lynn Graham.
Wouldn't you know?
Yeah. Stephanie Lieber.
Oh, after her, of course. Steph Chris, don't you take that out.
You like
yeah, okay? I
Or do you want me
got
to name
tickle
her
in her hair.
Diana?
Hmm? No, Stephanie's cute. She got tickle in her hair.
Right now?
Don't take it out. Okay.
No. We're not.
Nathan. Nathan.
Nice in polka dots.
Nathan.
What color ice does you have?
There he is.
Brown.
Nathan!
Get over there.
Nathan,
Here.
Oh, she's a girl.
What?
You grew from last year there.
Oh, no good cooking there. Hey, I brought along a Santa's helper this year, you know.
Well,
Hey.
Santa's helper along there.
Yeah, oh, Merry Christmas.
Heaven's sake.
RJ, come here. Come
Well, who's been good boys and girls this year? Well, gather on around here. Maybe I got something in my old bag for you. Oh, let's see. Be up to the North Pole from Sherry. Alrighty? You can open that one up. Howdy there, RJ.
Now, Tammy, get back away.
Let's see.
Chris.
You're right, it's to them. You win the prize. There you go, kitties. Oh, we got a little type here. Huh? There's like a bunch of M&Ms in there. I think you got dipped
Who's
there.
Dad? That me, Dad?
Yeah.
I think your dad, yeah.
Hey.
I'd start complaining about them.
Don't open it, Chris.
Is that all?
Where? Over here?
Did everybody get a present here?
Ray. Oh, you got that too.
Let's move on out there.
Redmond over there.
Oh, oh, Merry Christmas to everybody.
Okay, now give her a big kiss.
All righty.
Wait a minute. Kick her that
Merry Christmas. Santa's gonna grow. Ho, 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 ho.
Sit on Santa Claus's lap. Let's go. Come on.
Captain of the sleigh, you know.
How do you open it?
Waiting on me.
Sherry.
Huh? All right, I'll give you a spot then. There you
We're
go.
doing it for picture's sake.
Okay, how about you?
Thrown away. I got
Up.
these bags. Put the
They didn't
places
get to
in.
see
Okay,
really?
come on over
Okay,
here.
now.
What would you like for Santa or from Christmas? Or, you know what I mean. Answer any question you want.
Over there. Sherry, get over there.
If you're on time.
You got irritated?
How
Get
do you
this
know
doll.
we got batteries?
What is this?
Here,
One of them
look here.
hitchhiking dolls?
She wants to
We
carry
got
us
dolls
fast,
that
too.
wet and full of fit, but we never had one that
Okay,
hitchhike.
hey, you have to Santa, get your head up here a bit.
All right, well, I'll see what I can
Tammy,
do on that,
wait a
all
minute,
right?
let me take a picture of her.
I bet his lap's
All right.
killing him, Mom.
All right.
Get the doll down so I can say Santa.
Oh. All righty, anybody else there?
Chris, you got...
Well, hi there. Merry Christmas there, Crystal Ball. Merry
Okay,
Christmas.
look at
Brother,
That's
Oh, look over here.
Mr.
Nathan.
Clean.
Nathan's butt.
That's
Mommy.
pretty tough
Look,
there.
look at him smiling.
His eye.
Reindeer poop in your stocking there, you know.
Okay.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas. Oh, oh, oh.
Mommy, get off.
This one's real stiff.
Oh, Santa.
What would you like for Christmas this year, little girl?
The car. A real one.
We have one of those. That's a real Matchbox car. It'll be under the tree. And a little stocking stuffer.
We were country with you.
They don't have those radio
Are
control
you
yet.
done?
He doesn't want you on.
Why you don't like Santa?
Oh, ho, ho. Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. All right. Ready? Start. Ho, 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 ho. Ah, Merry Christmas. Well, Merry Christmas to all.
Goodbye, Santa.
Anybody else want anything else?
Bye, Santa Claus.
Bye, Santa Claus.
Bye, Santa Claus.
Bye, Chris Kringle.
Bye.
Bye, Chris Kringle.
Bye, Matt.
Get the camera up, RJ. He's just sitting.
Whose bike is that? RJ's bike. Oh. Can you pedal with those duck feet? Oh, it just
Go
feels
help
like-
him.
Huh?
Help him.
You ready to get down? Huh? Oh, you just rather push it.
Whoa. Look at me, Don.
Here, RJ, let's open this. Here's a present. That's a present for Santa Claus. Thank you, Santa Claus. Do you like it? RJ, do you like the bike? Oh, it's back. Oh, what is it? An airplane. You want me to help? Oh, an airplane. Remote control airplane. Here, you want to make it go? There it goes. Oh, this is neat, a mosquito. Okay, here, you want to do it? Okay, just push that. No, don't push that, I'm sorry. Do it like that. Okay, you gotta walk with it though. You wanna open some more presents? Here, open this one. Here. Open it from there. I take
RJ, smile.
RJ, go like this. Look, look. Go like that.
Where's your tongue, RJ?
Say, there it is, Daddy. Here's another. What are those? You don't know. Open it. What are they? What are they? Cars. Race cars. Want to open it? See, we got some new books to read at night time, huh? You okay?
Bring it back.
I am.
Oh.
You wanna ride your bike? You got a food processor! Thank you, Santa Claus. And look what else we got. We got some knives for when we get in fights. And RJ, oh, he got a lovable doggy. And he got a bike from Santa Claus. And Ray got some chocolate-covered cherries to get fat. And I got a beautiful watch. This is from my husband. This isn't from Santa Claus, though. And I love it. Okay, you can cut now. Ooh, that's a strong smell here. What a cheapo train. Doesn't like those colors.